Alright, so on the news, everybody been saying for the last week it's going to be the biggest snowstorm ever. Flights is canceled left and right. Y'all know my motto. There's always opportunity where people don't see it. Everybody in the house scared. Oh no, it's going to be snow everywhere. Me, that mean go make some money. Why freaking not? Number one, I know how to drive. Number two, it's not as bad as everybody expected. Number three is nobody's out. And they have higher promotions to make money times like this because you got a higher demand. So the goal today is to get out, enjoy it, be safe, make some money. I just did my first order. It was an Uber Eats pickup at Arby's, 5 miles, $10. Anything like that, I'm not taking anything under $10 because the driving time is going to take you not double, but it's going to take you a little bit longer since the roads is a little slick. The Arby's, nobody was in the line. No, the only problem I did have, they didn't shovel the drive-through. So I literally got stuck in the drive-through, like right where you order. It was a big old patch of snow, and you could tell every car was getting stuck. So it was one of those but you know, it is what it is. Let's get it. So this how it looks. It's snowy, but it's really not that bad. The problem is it's 26 mile winds today. So it's high winds. It's a little slippery out here. I haven't ran in any real black ice. And it's cold as hell outside, so you can't raise your window down. You gotta open up your door and do stuff. But overall, as long as you drive slow and safe, stay the hell out of people's way, ain't bad. So what sucks is over in this area, it's a Walmart, and I get non-stop Walmart orders. So like this one just was $16 going 7 miles. It looks great, but 10 times out of 10, Walmart orders is not going to be worth it. It's going to take forever to park. You're going to get inside, and the customers, or not the customers, the employees are going to be confused, wondering what the hell you're doing in there. They're not going to know anything. You're going to get ran around, and you don't know what type of item you are grabbing. So every time it's not worth it. You got to order. Let's see. So we got another order, $10, only going 5 miles at McDonald's. I'm telling you, I can do these completely all day. I'm not about to try to go in. We're going to drive through on this one. You see, delivery driver waiting area. So we have our area over here. Okay, so it took a little bit longer than expected, but we got these. It's only 3 minutes away. Let's keep it going. Spare token is down. Now, I went against my rule on this one. This was $6, but it was only going 1 mile. Pizza. I'm not gonna hold you up. I hate doing shop and pay orders because you never have everything that they want and the customers take a while to respond. But this one is $26 going 8 miles. Rite Aid, and it's 7 items. Let's go. Let's do it. Well, here goes some game. You got to be smart when you do certain orders. So I was doing that order. I received one $18 going 11 miles, which seems great, but we are not in regular circumstance situations. 11 miles is long in the snow, so it's going to be a 15-mile time. That's going to probably take double the amount because I'm going to probably have to take the freeway, or you're going to go too slow. It's not necessarily worth it. And it was going out of a busy area opposite of where I want it to be at. So you're going to do all of that to get there, and then you're going to try to come back to where it's popping versus you possibly doing 2 5-mile orders paying $10 each. So you got to think a little bit smarter. So me denying that helped me get this $26 going 8 miles. It don't always work like that, but most of the time it do. Yeah, this a win, y'all. They want dog food and snacks, like a Reese cup. Yeah. So we like this. We like it. I like it. Dude, have y'all ever did a shop and pay order? Grab us one of these. All right, how you doing? Okay, they want some of these. Let's figure out which one they want. Hey, people that got a smart ass mouth. I asked her, where's the dog food? And she looked at me like I was stupid. She said, look up top. Up top, nothing say dog food. And you have a different ARO that has the damn, what you call it, the dog snacks. Oh, look like they don't. Here we go. Last one. Let's go. I use this thing. This nice thing. Can't even hold y'all up. That order was easy as hell. So I'm excited because dropping this off is gonna put me close to, that's gonna put me at $52 without any extra tips and stuff. We doing good. I might shut it down early because it's gonna get dark early now. And I wanna get back home and do YouTubes and stuff. We'll see. Going great so far. I really wish I would have started like at 7 in the morning. I might do that tomorrow. So as I'm editing the video, so I did end up shutting it down. Shut everything down. I'm gonna first go to the time. At what time did I start doing this? Oh, that's not right. Let's do it like this. All right, the first video I posted was at 2:14. That's the first one I posted. So we're going to say I started at 2. Say I started at 2. And the last video that I posted was at 3:27. We're going to say I finished at 3. We're going to say 4. 2 hours. So I did a full 2 hours. Once I did the calculations, it looked like I did like $59. I did close to, I'm not going to show y'all the address, but I did close to, we're just going to say $60 in 2 hours, $30 an hour. That is why you want to go out during holiday time and take advantage of it, because I could have easily had a $200 day to a $300 day if I started first thing in the morning and went through the night. It just once it get dark, it's already tough enough. It just didn't feel safe because cars start sliding, people gonna slide. That $200 ain't worth the accident. But if you guys want to see me do some more videos, I'm debating on doing Uber for the first time, like literally picking somebody up. That would be great to probably vlog that. Let me know if you guys be interested in that content. Hit the subscribe button. My man, you gotta share.